Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your microphone sound horrible. So to proceed, we are going to do this without using third-party applications. Of course, it's going to make a lot of things easier. You just want to select the horrible or the worst microphone preset in there and you call it a day. But in here, we are going to do this with Windows only. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your sound setting, scroll down and click more sound setting. Click recording, and then you want to simply locate your microphone. In my case, it's going to be the Razer Kraken. Right click on it, click properties, levels, and make sure that it is set all the way up. Click OK. And now from here, click sound or click on communication. But basically, you just want to go ahead and look for the hertz right here. So click properties on your microphone once again, select advanced, and then in order to make your microphone sound a lot worse, you could see the quality right here. We have CD quality, DVD quality, studio quality. Just make sure that you set this all the way down. Now this can go ahead and depend on the microphone that you are using. So for example, if we used something like my voice meter, it can go even a lot lower. So we have the tape recorder quality, dictation quality, AM quality, so on and so forth. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.